Hi, my name is Tanya. Thank you so much for watching Global Bakes videos. I appreciate your time so much. And if you could do me a favor and click that little thumbs up button down there just to show me that you like this content and also show YouTube that you like this content, you would help me grow so much. That's how YouTube knows when to recommend my videos to other people. So like if you can, and if you like this content, and subscribe if you'd like to. I have a goal to hit 1,000 subscribers before January 1st of 2022. So if you want to help me reach my goal, subscribe. And you could, if you want to help me out even more, share this on your social media channels and try to get your friends to subscribe as well. Thank you so much. Bye.